Hello learners, and welcome to the world of learning with LearnBlaze. In this video, we're going to learn about the keyboard shortcuts which save 95% of your time. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. The first keyboard shortcut, Windows plus full stop. This is a very useful feature and can open the emoji window. In this window, you can open emojis, type symbols, emoticons, GIFs, and also access the clipboard. Let us see this in action. Alright, here is a Word document, and let me use the shortcut Windows plus full stop. This opens the emojis and more pane, where I can choose various types of emojis, like this lying face. And look, just as I clicked it, it appeared on the screen. Just like that, you can also type emojis, GIFs, emoticons, mathematical symbols, and access the clipboard. But there's another shortcut to access the clipboard, which we will be covering later in this video. Let us move on to the next shortcut. Moving on to the next shortcut, Windows plus D. This minimizes all apps and returns to the desktop's home screen. This can be really useful for cleaning up the mess on your screen. In case there are too many open apps or open tabs, you can press this shortcut to instantly minimize all the apps and return to your home screen. Okay, now let me open a few tabs right here. Let me open this, this, this. Okay, now it's really messy and it's really hard to go to the desktop screen. So what I'm going to do is press Windows plus D. And boom, you return to your home screen. Let us see the next shortcut as well. Alright, next shortcut, Windows plus V. This opens the clipboard, and it's a really useful feature because that's where you'll access all of your copied items. Let us see this in action. Okay, let's say I want to copy this text, these emojis, and this image into another Word document. I need all of these at a time. So let me just copy this, Control C. Let's copy the emojis as well, Control C, and also the image. Let us go to the other Word document and paste this. I only get the image. I do not get the text and the emojis because this is the last one I copied. To solve this issue, let me press Windows plus V. Ah, there you go. There are emojis, our text, and all of the others. Now, let me copy. All right. Now, let me click on the emojis and my image. They appeared, but then the text. Let me press Windows V again. And there you go. That's your text. Now, let us move on to the next shortcut. Now, the next shortcut, Control plus backspace. This is really useful while typing as it deletes entire previous words while you type a sentence. Let us try this out. Okay, let's say I want to delete a few words in this paragraph. What I'll do is I'll hold Control and I'll click backspace repeatedly. This deletes entire words. This is really helpful, and it also deletes words really fast. And the faster you do it, the faster the entire paragraph gets wiped out. Now, let us move on to the next shortcut. Now, shortcut number 5. Press Alt plus F4 to close apps, and when you're in the desktop home screen, you can shut down the computer. Let us see this in action. Now let us say I want to close this window. Let's press Alt plus F4, and then the window gets closed. It's not there anymore. Now let us move on to the next shortcut. Okay, the next shortcut is pretty useful, which is Alt plus Tab. This helps us to switch between different apps and windows. Let's try it out. Okay, I have a few open tabs right here. And then now let me hold Alt and press Tab while still holding Alt with me. Okay, while holding Alt, you can press Tab again and again and release it. And then whatever app this green box is in, it opens that app. Let me go to this document 1. That's where this green square is. And then I'll open it. by releasing the keys. This was pretty useful. Let us move on to the next shortcut. Okay, coming to shortcut number 7, Windows plus I. This opens Settings. Let us try this out. Okay, now I'm on the home screen. Let me press Windows plus I. Well, it opened the settings. Let us move on to the next shortcut. Alright, shortcut number 8. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the Screenshot Selection tool, or on Windows, Snipping tool. Let us see this in action. Okay, I'm on my home screen right now, and let me press Windows plus Shift plus S. Now the Snipping tool pane has opened. Now I can take a screenshot of anything that I drag like this. See? The screenshot is copied to clipboard. Again, I can access this by pressing Windows plus V, and my image is right there. Now let us move on to the next shortcut. Okay, shortcut number 9. Press Ctrl plus N to open a new window. This works in most browsers or file explorers and maybe a few apps. Let us try this out. Okay, let's say from this browser, Google Chrome, I want to open a new window. So let me press Ctrl and N, and a new window has opened. Now I can search whatever I want in a new window. Interesting, right? Let us move on to the next shortcut. Now, shortcut number 10, the last shortcut, is Windows plus L. This is a really useful feature as this locks the computer. Let us try this out. Okay, I'm on my desktop home screen and I'll press Windows and L. Well, it locked the system. So when you click on it, it'll ask you to enter your password. And once you do so, you can unlock your system again and retain all of your minimized tabs. As a conclusion, here is a table with the Windows shortcuts, what they do, and their uses. Feel free to pause this video and use this as a reference. Alright, this is it for this video on keyboard shortcuts part 1. What should I make next? Comment down below. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and this is LearnBlaze signing out.